I'm going to show you how to use the Milwaukee Compact Electromagnetic Drill Press, or mag drill for short. Before you start drilling, you want to make sure you have the drill bit lined up exactly where you wish the hole to be. This includes looking directly down the mag drill itself to make sure it's lined up, and getting up close to the bit itself to make sure that it is dead center. When you are satisfied with the position of the drill, turn on the magnet so that the drill is held fast to the steel that you are going to drill into. Let's start drilling. First, we're going to need some gloves to protect our hands. We also have eye protection on. Now, this on-off switch is set as an emergency switch as well. I suggest doing a real quick touch on the steel to make sure that you are lined up the way you want to be lined up on it. And once you're satisfied that you are hitting center, go ahead and start drilling. You don't want to put too much pressure on there, just enough pressure to be able to move forward, and also be sure to have cutting oil. Cutting oil is very important. You do not want your drill bit overheating. That is how you dull and burn out your drill bits. Finding the right amount of pressure and the right amount of cutting oil is key to going through thick steel as fast as possible with little effort. You will know that you are drilling efficiently when you see big chunks flying out of the hole with little effort. We have successfully drilled through 1/4 inch steel. Always remember that safety comes first. Work safe, brothers and sisters.